Good evening, YouTube. Welcome back to the Outdoor Cook Shack. Tonight I'm going to be doing chicken Cordon Bleus. I believe I have everything out here. I do have my chicken, which is an air chilled chicken, natural juice ham, Swiss cheese, some buns, and I also have toasted seasoned breadcrumbs. And I'll be making some country style French fries also. I do have the flat top preheating now. I have the two burners on the left on medium and the two burners on the right are off. I do have my deep fryer preheating now at 375. It looks like it's up to temp. Let's go ahead and start our sandwiches. Alright, let's take a quick peek and see what our temperature's at. Looking at 475, 450. Get over to the right here, I'm at 350. Let's start with a little canola oil. And of course the chicken breasts. I did not pound out the breast at all, as you can see. It's going to fit my sandwich bun real nice. Start my timer too. Cover these guys up. Here we are 2 minutes later. These Ore-Ida fries do not have deep frying instructions. Easy prep baking. Just baking instructions. I'm going to try them anyhow. Here they are, 5 minutes on these chicken breasts. I'm going to go ahead and flip them. I'm also going to put my buns down over here on the side that's turned off. I'm also going to put my breadcrumbs down. I'm going to give these guys a little poultry seasoning. And then a little garlic. I did have the buns buttered. Chicken's been cooking now for 8 minutes. Let's see what temp we're at. Looking for 165 obviously. Coming up at 140, 141, 142. Coming along nice. I'm going to go ahead and drop the fries. I figure they're going to take 5 to 6 minutes. I don't know. It's usually about what they take. 375. It's funny they don't have a deep frying recipe on there. Shit. Thought I had it on 375. I guess I did not. Chicken's looking nice. I'm going to turn down the chicken down a little bit now with the French fries. Deal. Let's go ahead and take another peek at her. It's 13 minutes now. There we go. Let's go ahead and put our ham down. We'll put a half a slice of cheese on the chicken first. Let's get a little color on the one side. Okay, and another, or then a full slice of cheese. Bun's getting nice and crunchy. There we go. Looking good. Everything's kind of just more or less staying warm. I'm going to go ahead and shut this off. The fries look done. One thing you want to make sure you do is season your fries right away. There's salt. Pepper, although these were a seasoned country style fry, that's right. And Lawry's. Into the bowl they go. But now we're going to do with the breadcrumbs. Just like that. Nice and up high. The breadcrumbs are, they're heated. The plate's hot. Go ahead and plate up here for you. Well, there we are. Chicken Cordon Bleus. You can see how easy it is on the Camp Chef flat top. If you want to learn more about Camp Chef products, just go ahead and click on the link in the description. Then also go ahead and click and subscribe so then you won't miss out on any new videos coming from the Outdoor Cook Shack. And as always, thanks for watching.